My name is Mark Taylor with Extreme Aerial Productions, and I'm putting together today this very quick video excuse me, on how to create a KML or KMZ in Google Earth. The reason that we ask for this is for safety and mission planning. It's extremely important for us to be able to find the area that you need us to fly and either do a topo on, or to give us the ability to flight plan, because if this area represented by the white box is the area of interest, we must fly to meet photogrammetry standards to the outside of the area of interest to ensure the data integrity is absolutely as pristine as possible. So why we always ask for a KMZ, it also helps us get there, pre-plan, when we're on site, walk the site, double check, quadruple check, so we don't let our clients down. So simply when you open up Google Earth Pro, not on the mobile, but on the desktop, we go up here to this polygon tool, which shows up here, and I'm just going to trace this project over here out. I'm going to change the color so it stands out. The color palette will come up here. I like purple, so we'll have a purple day. Click OK, color changes to purple, and so that we can see it, here I'm doing a line width of 2. So I'm going to pop this out here, out here, out here. And I'm simply just clicking the mouse to ensure that I get enough coverage. I go to my measurements. I know that it's in feet. I know that I need acres. 185 acres, which is what I would quote from. That changes the number of photographs we're processing and the amount of detail that we need. I click OK. I didn't name it, so we can rename it. Drone area to fly. Tab out of it. And then I right click, save place as, goes into my KML folder. I'm going to make sure it is a KML, and I'm going to save it and then simply email it to me because it's a very, very small file. So thanks for watching. Thanks for understanding why we do what we do. We're just perfectionists. We really, really want to impress all of our clients. And having this information instead of on a PDF and trying to massage it, or being given a street address and say that's the job site, you can't miss it. This fixes any and all disappointment and anomalies. Thanks so much. Any further questions, give me a call, 602-908-2043, or check us out on the web at extremeaerialproductions.com.